Hey guys, today I will show you how to install Delta, originally known as scripts for Roblox Murder Mystery 2, Autofarm and other games. First, please consider liking and subscribing. You saw more than one players that collects coins without doing anything or players that auto-kill everyone with one step. They are called Delta users. So as you can see, I have every Halloween items except Reagan and the Robux bundle. Even if I don't play Roblox very much, that's because I use Delta. And here is the tutorial on how to install it without scripts or anything like that. Firstly, search Delta Executor. Open this website and avoid clicking on any ads. Scroll down and listen to what it says.